togera gwika ase county ya Nyamira omwancho morigereri nigo abalimi bechae banyaka bakomerana ari tukoria rero ase banyaka bakurwa ebirengere byabo kubwatekana gotekorengana amo nechinjira a onchi baganiri kuchekana ikwemukigwa rede bagenda kanyona rigesa nechibasingia kurwa ase obalimi bwabo bwechae Moliki Tofati ga Disemba nigaikirana ase egeikarikyo na gotwariganira orobotiro kubwatia.
Masikini ni mbaya ama namna gani? Tufukuze nini? Nafukuza kwa nani? Kwa chai ama kwa nini? Alafu pesa ifanye kazi. Asante.
Ase omujega bwo gucengera ritiko lya barimi abwase baria bakonya ekemeri kyabo gechae ase company ya Sasini bacengera omujega oyoiga ase skuru ya Magura egotoka ewodi ya Mekenene county ya Nyamira abwase abarimi abwo bagokera obokoreri kwi company eyoiga anene ase okubaka na chiringi 40 ase kera ekiro kera omutieni.
Let me congratulate the MD, the managing director of Kibukebe, for giving us the best price ever in the region. Actually, we are getting 43 per kilo, and that one we congratulate the management and request that I know, and I've seen you being out looking for better prices. You want to succeed, please give us more than the one you are giving us today.
Nonyenigo abateneneri abanene be factory eyiga bakora wanomo General Managing Director Osasini Martin Ojieng na Ushad Merali Steve Mainda Akif Put Charles McPhee na boigo Silas Injibakale oyore Managing Director Ukibukebe negati yabwo baikirana asomyega oyoiga asibaira chinga kecho na kusaba baremi abaiga kogenderera gotora HI engia na enyinge ejuere na matu abere na engorob na enjira yemo yabo yokogenderera kwenyorera rigesa harigia.
Kama wameongea ile quality anatafuta ni leo imejaribu ni really good, na ilikuwa proud sana kuona wapi Kipkebe na wewe pamoja na kubeba hiti. Sasa ni mambo ya volume, twende na ongeza na chukua quality hata juu sana. Sisi na appreciate, sisi nafanya pamoja.
2 leaves and above, major component 60% and above. 2 leaves, a bit of, and Keter, you need to come with the specific standards, or Elena, you need to come with the specific standards which we have. And then a few 3 leaves and above, soft bench. We don't want loose leaf. We don't want hard loose leaf. So ningependa nyinyi kama wakulima mtusaidie. Wakati unapoona mwingine analeta chai mbaya na wewe unakasana kuleta chai safi, usikubali hata katika shamba hiyo itendeke.
Kurwase serikali ya kaunti ya Nyamira nigo batebire ebaguchia gokonya abaremi abaiga anene ase okubaroiseria chipara engana baganirie company eyo kubakonya omoromu eryo gotichira chipara.
Ninakuomba kuna barabara hapa Embo ya hapa chini kwa boundary. Tukifika hapo tutakuomba tusaidie mara kutoka Pandei, tulete matinga, tuweke mafuta, tulipe wafanyikazi wetu, tutoe mara yako Pandei, tusaidie hiyo barabara pia i-connect na ile nyingine ya tumeweka kwa program. Hiyo nafikiria that's a polite request.
Chinkaki ejecho nigo company ejo pairaneria igoro yo moromu ojo.
Available, but do not behave like government people. Okay? Sometimes napeana mara mnamesema mmenunua. So I will charge kidogo. Sindio? Because wanapewa na wanasema wamenunua.
Silas, Madam Belion amesema tuangalie mambo ya barabara huko kwao tuendeleze to open the area for catchment. I think let's look at that and see what we can do. Even if it means working with the county. I think let's sit down and see if we can help to open those roads. So Mama Belion tutaangalia mambo tena mara moja.
Abaremi abuba beire bagokora buya asoboremi bwabo nigo baewa ebyewa ao.
Clear. 1,436,215,000 kilos. So thank you very much.
Ingo reporter Getembe kurwaiga ase company ya Sasini eye gotoka ni kaunti ya Nyamira Jeffa Tigadi Disemba